Can you just imagine? How do you people feel now? How do you feel now? This is just crazy. Nelson Mandela will be very proud. Nelson Mandela. He will be very proud of you guys. He will be very, I don't know where this dislike, where this envy, where this jealousy from South Africans against Nigeria started. But I'm pretty sure it did not start from Nigeria. Because since I was born in 1994 till now, I have never heard where a Nigerian man is giving a story and said, oh, it was because of South Africans that this didn't happen to Nigeria, or it is because of South Africa that we cannot achieve this. I have never heard it before. But you people have constantly instigated dislike against Nigerians for no reason, to the point where you people said Nigerians are taking away your job, and because they took your job, you people decided to do a manhunt on Nigerians, and you buy a lot of Nigerians. You unalive a lot of Nigerians in South Africa in the xenophobia attack. You finished a lot of men and a lot of women in South Africa. For what reason? You people said Nigerians are taking away your jobs. And guess what Nigerians did? Nigerians only said MTN will leave, but MTN is still here today. Your own company is here today. You people have ShopRite.